I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a quadratic function for which we'll find the area under a given interval. As we have learned, if f is any antiderivative of the positive function f, the area under y equals to f of x from a to b is area b equals to f of b minus f of a. So that is what we have learned, and based on this we are going to solve this question. The question here is, find area of the function y equals to x squared plus 1 from x equals to 1 to x equals to 3. So we are given the function which is y equals to x squared plus 1, and we need to find the area under the curve between x equals to 1 to 3. So we have to find between the interval 1 to 3 the area of this function. So it says that if f is antiderivative of the function, so let's find antiderivative of this particular function, right? So what is antiderivative of x squared plus 1? So we can write this as f of x equals to x cubed 1/3 of that plus antiderivative of x is 1. So the idea is, if I differentiate this, I get that. That's the whole idea. So differential of this is 3x squared. 3 cancel out, you get x squared. This is 1, so you get your function back. Now normally when we find antiderivative, we write plus c, right? We write plus c. But in this case, we'll choose c to be equal to 0. The idea is we have two values, right? So they cancel out. When we do f of b minus f of a, they cancel out. So even if you choose any constant, it will cancel out. So we'll just choose c equals to 0 in our case, correct? Now the question is very simple. It says, what is the area of this function from x equals to 1 to 3? So we can say that the area of this function from 1 to 3, it is at 3 itself, is equals to f of 3 minus f of 1, right? So that is what it is. We know what f of x is. We chose this to be f of x, so we can find these values, correct? So we'll find these values and then figure out the answer. So f of 1 is, we'll substitute 1 in this equation, so we get 1 over 3, 1 cubed plus 1. We are choosing c to be 1, correct? And that gives you 1 over 3 plus 1, which is 4 over 3, right? And as far as f of 3 is concerned, it is 1 over 3, 3 cubed plus 3, right? And that is 3 squared, which is 9 plus 3, and that is 12. So we'll substitute these values here. F of 3 is 12, so you get 12 minus 4 over 3. And that gives you can take common denominator 3, 36 minus 4, and that is 32 over 3 squared units, right? So that is what your answer is. So that's how we'll be solving such questions. So we can write down our answer, which is the area under this curve between 1 to 3 is 32 over 3 square units, right? So that is how we could do it. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. Thank you, and all the best.